Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat allow camera access not working. As you can see on my screen, this could be an error message because you have been using your Snapchat for quite some time and you have been having access to your camera. So why would this just pop up? Don't worry, I got it covered. I'm going to show you how to actually fix that. So you have to go to your settings, your phone settings, right? To actually turn on your camera, scroll down and you're going to see apps right here. Click on apps and you scroll down, search for Snapchat. You can actually do that quickly by just searching for it. You can see the search icon right there. I've seen my Snapchat, so you can see permissions right here. Click on that permissions and you're going to click on camera and click on allow only while using this app, right? So you've actually given camera Snapchat access to use your camera. So after doing this and that error keeps up popping up, the next step you have to take is you still have to go to your settings again and click on apps, right? And you have to just search for Snapchat, so that will be faster. So click on my Snapchat, you scroll down and you see storage. Click on storage, and now what you need to do is you have to clear your cache, right? So I've cleared my cache, and you can also clear your data, and it's going to clear up your logins and settings and some other kind of things. So you just have to like reinstall you have to like start afresh again after cleaning up your data. So after doing this and it's still capable, the last option you can actually take to actually clear that up is by opening up your Apple Store or your Play Store and search for Snapchat, so that you can check if you have any updates on Snapchat. So I can see mine here is update, so I need to actually update it. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to update. So after updating it, I can now have access to the camera. Yeah, it's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.